Question number 4. The Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha is removed from his office by dash. Answer number 3. A resolution of the Lok Sabha passed by the majority of all the members of the Lok Sabha. Question number 5. CNG stands for which of the following? Answer number 3. Compressed natural gas. Question number 6. Till which year was Bangladesh a part of Pakistan? Answer number 3. 1971. Question number 7. Which of the following was not a Mesopotamian language? Answer number 4. Sumerian. Question number 8. Who among the following was instrumental in declaring Odha a disturbed region, requiring it to be brought under British control? Answer number 2. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 10. Which of the following is a SI-based unit for photometry, the science of measuring light as perceived by the human visual system? Answer number 3. Candela. Question number 11. In which of the following cities of India is the Saptak Music Festival celebrated? Answer number 1. Ahmedabad. Question number 12. Who is the author of the book Two Lives? Answer number 4. V. Kram Seth. Question number 13. In August 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award would be renamed as dash. Answer number 4. Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. Question number 15. In which city did the freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad shoot himself on being besieged by the British police? Answer number 3. Allahabad. Question number 22. In which of the following states is the Yamtung Valley located? Answer number 4. Sikkim. Question number 23. What is the ratio of money held by public in currency to that they hold in bank deposit called? Answer number 3. Currency deposit ratio. Question number 24. Who among the following dancer is best known for renaissance of the Bharatanatyam dance form? Answer number 3. Rukmani Devi Arundel. Question number 25. The International Cricket Council (ICC) board announced a minimum age policy for international cricket in November 2020. As per policy, a player must be at least dash to play cricket globally. Answer number 2. 15 years old.